Alright, so this time around we'll be working on the next challenge. It's called arithmetic operator. So you just click on this solve challenge and head over to the coding arena. You can see from the tags it says the provided code stops, reads two integers from the standard input output and A and B, and add code to print the three lines. The first line contains the sum of two numbers, the second line contains the difference of the two numbers, the third line contains the product of the two numbers. So you can see that this one is pretty simple. So this is the result we should expect at the end of the program. So it just says print in bracket A. The first line is the sum, so you say A plus B. Alright, you go over to the next line, you say print it says the difference between the two numbers, so it's A minus B. Then the third line is print A times B. If we should run this code, we would see if we get the result that we seek. So it says congratulations, but look, we did not add the constraints. The constraint says 1 is greater than, okay, A is greater than or equal to 1 and A is less than or equal to 10 raised to the power 10. Likewise B. So let's just add these constraints and then repeat the same process. So we can say if we put in brackets 1 is less than or equal to A and A is less than or equal to 10 raised to power 10. Alright, and then we put and we repeat the same thing for B. You say 1 is less than or equal to B and is less than or equal to 10 raised to power 10. So notice that raised to power in Python is using the star twice. So if this is the case, let's print this. So right now the print statements are under the if statement. So if the input meets this criteria, it will run this code, otherwise it will not. So let's run the code again and see if we got the correct answer. And so you can see it passed the first set of tests. Let's submit the code and then wait for our results. So you can see we were able to achieve this challenge. It's not difficult as much, it's just pretty straightforward. So thank you, we'll see you in the next challenge.